Right, welcome. This is a video series on how to make money on this freelance marketplace called Legiit. And you get to learn it from me, someone who's actually done it before. I've sold around 500K in services on Legiit, so I know exactly how to do it and how you can do it as well. And in this video series, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with this platform. There's just one thing, and I want to be fully transparent with you. I have been banned from this platform because I created my own marketplace. It's called Vetted with 3 T's, and we take 0% in fees. We focus on a more higher end or premium type of freelancer. So if you are a more seasoned and experienced freelancer, make sure to join on this link right here. I'd love to have you on. But if you're just starting freelancing, sites like Fiverr and Legiit work fine. Again, Vetted is more for a premium type of freelancer, both freelancer and client. The services are more high-end and the platform as a whole is more premium and bespoke. And just to end this intro, anything you learn with this video can be applied on Vetted or any other marketplace. So my goal with this is that you watch the videos and then actually go implement what you learned, ideally on Vetted, or you can do it on any other marketplace. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy.
I want to talk really quickly about your requirements message, and this is yet another entrance point to get people into your bubble, which we've talked about previously. So you want to take advantage of all the places that Legiit allows you to grow your brand. So let's see an example. In your service, when you're creating a service, of course, if you go to requirements, this is where you tell your client what you need from them. What I usually do is after the requirements, I send them this. I embedded here an image that has a link to my Facebook group. Okay, so what happens is when the client fills in the requirements and when he comes back to the order page, you'll always see this right here, this big image right here in the middle. So it's my requirements, then this, then the requirements he sent. And this sometimes gets clicks from people and this redirects them to the Facebook group, okay? To this, in this case, to this post that has a bunch of videos and a bunch of tutorials on SEO. So this is yet another point, another touch point I use to get people inside my social bubble, is to add either a link or an image with a link or basically a thing that links them out to your bubble. Super simple, but you can implement this if you're trying to grow your Facebook group, for example. This is a great thing to implement, is to just go to the requirements section of your service and add an image there or a link or something else that moves people to your brand. That's it. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.